It took me almost 8 hours to record and edit this video. By the time I finish making this video, Euro Australian dollar is now moved 185 pips in profit, and the Euro New Zealand has moved a whopping 199 pips in profit. And gold euro has also moved massive 340 pips in profit. And Euro JPY another massive 210 pips in profit. So I want to show you how you can achieve the same results. So don't look away, guys. I'm not going to sell you anything or market anything to you, except that if you like this video, if you like this channel, please don't forget to hit that like button for me and support the channel. Also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get more of these videos. I'm going to share with you guys a 60 seconds Forex trading strategy. You only need to analyze your charts for 60 seconds and then you place the trades on your platforms. What I'm going to show you today is something that I've been doing for the past decade. I want to show you the easiest way to trade Forex and how to use the Forex Currency Index to get sniper entry trades and also very high probability trades. I'm going to show you everything step by step how I do it. So this is just an introduction. For example, if you want to trade a Euro Australian dollar, you only need to go to the Euro Index to check whether the Euro Index is strong or it's weak. You can do this by use of indicators that you already have, or if you are going to watch this video to the end, I'm also going to show you some good indicators that you can use, including my own indicator that I will be using on this video. There are so many ways that you can actually use the currency index. You can also, for example, if you want to trade Euro Australian dollar, the first way is to just check the Euro index to see if it's strong or if it's weak, and then that's what determines if you are going to buy or sell the euro. So you can also use other methods like, for example, if I'm trading Euro Australian dollar, the second method is to check the Euro index and then also check the Australian dollar index. This is another extra confirmation that you can use so that at least you have a Euro index confirmation and then the Australian dollar confirmation. You can also add other confirmations which I'm going to talk about in this video. The main reason why we check the Euro index and the Australian dollar index, we don't want to trade in a situation where Euro is strong and also the Australian dollar is strong. Because this is when you take a trade and then it can go sideways for hours or days or even weeks. This leads to frustration for new traders and also even the pro traders. And this may cause you to close the trades early, and as soon as you close the trade, it goes your direction. This is where you find yourself that the time when you think that the market has been sideways, maybe you are wrong, maybe let me just take out the trade. That's when it starts moving. I want to show you the easiest way to take a trade, where you just place a trade and then you dive in the profit right away. These are sniper entry trades that I'm going to show you today. And this is something that you can do each and every day. If the signal is wrong, you can just cut your losers short. This is by far the best Forex trading strategy in this world. So before we jump into the charts, please let's take a moment and then just subscribe to the channel and also turn on those notifications and like this video. Greetings traders of all levels. Today we are about to unleash the best Forex trading strategy that does not rely on guesswork. It thrives on logic and 60 seconds analysis. Get ready to supercharge your trading game. Segment number 1. Unlocking the power of the Forex Currency Index. And segment number 2, the real-world proof of the signal that was sent in our Telegram channel. The Euro out signal, which is currently running 110 pips. Segment number 3, this is the heart of our trading strategy. This is where I'm going to show you everything that is needed to place the first trade. I'm going to show you, and I want you to look over my shoulder. This is the secret weapon of our trading strategy. Segment number 4, I'm going to show you the correlation that is between the Australian dollar index and the New Zealand dollar index, because I'm going to use it as our super strength to even have an extra confirmation on our trade. And then segment number 5, I'm going to give you a visual of the trading platform that I'll be using and also show you the indicators that I'm going to use on the charts. And I'm going to also explain to you valuable insights that you need to pay attention to when you are trading using my Forex trading strategy. And then in segment number 6, I'm going to do an explainer graphic video where I'm going to actually place the trade and show you step by step what you need to look for when you are trading using the same strategy that I'm going to share with you. So let's quickly get to the charts so that I can show you guys how you can quickly make those pips that I was showing you at the beginning of this video. So there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. When you are trading Forex, you need to have patience. That's the first thing. And you need to stick to your strategy. That's the second thing I want you to know. Because you are not going to win every trade. Sometimes even when after showing you that this is the holy grail, if you take your first trade, it's possible that you can also lose that first trade. But what you need to pay attention to most is that you need to stick to the strategy. So in that case, you are going to find out the losers are very short and are very small. Like I was showing you on the video, I'm going to keep on explaining as I'm showing you on the video. So I don't want to waste much time on this. You need to have a trading plan. The trading plan is going to tell you exactly the steps that you are going to follow. So with my trading plan that I have, I know that first thing I want to see is the Euro index weak or it's strong. Those are the first things I want to see. All right. So if, like for example, if we are using the trade that we sent yesterday in the free group, Euro Australian dollar was a sell trade. Euro Australian dollar, I sent this signal in our Telegram channel. All right. So I sent this one on 22 August. And then I started recording the video on 23 August. So the majority or the part of the video, the most important part of the video where I actually placed that trade, and I was also updating in the group, the video was corrupted. So I decided to redo the video, just showing you now, but I won't be showing you the trade running. I'll be only showing you how it was analyzed and the reason why I took that trade. So here I use 60 seconds Forex trading analysis. All right. And this is just logical. So what I do, I want to see if the Euro index or the Euro is weak or strong. So I go to the Euro index and see if the Euro index is giving me any signals. So if you have any other trading system which is non-repenting, it's going to give you a signal same like mine, that the indicator is giving me as a weak Euro index. So if there's a weak Euro index, I'm only looking to sell the Euro, all right, because it's weak. So it will be even better if I can get another confirmation. So the second confirmation will be if I can look at the Australian dollar index. Like in this case, since I was trading a Euro Australian dollar, so I'm going to look at the Australian dollar index. So in this case, I expect the Australian dollar index to be strong. So in this case, it was strong. And since it's strong, I'm going to simply go and place my sell trade, because I know that one way or the other, it's going to go in one direction. So this is the same as if, let's imagine as if you have a pivot. All right, you have a pivot that have some cages on the other side and some cages on the other side. All right, it's like a scale. What do you call it? I don't know, but it's a scale of a sort which has a pivot in the middle. And then you can put maybe 1 kg on the other side, you put 2 kgs on the other side. It's going to simply go to where there's a 2 kg. All right. So in this case, we know that the Euro index is weak, which means it's going to quickly drop to the side where it's strong. So it means whichever way, it's going to go one direction. All right. So in another case, maybe you receive a Euro index signal, and then you go to your Australian dollar index. If your Australian dollar index is also weak, it means both currencies are weak. So you may find out that depend on which one is more weak, it will go that direction. But that is difficult for you to know when they are both weak. You don't know how weak is it. All right, it simply means that it's going to go sideways for a very long time up until you start adding the other kgs on the other side, right? So that's how it is to trade using the index, the Forex Currency Index. So it's simple as that. I hope it makes sense, guys, and I hope someone maybe can understand or explain it better. All right, so if you guys can explain this one better, maybe you can just write in the comments if you understand what I'm trying to say. If this video is something that you would like to receive in the future, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to show you the Euro index, and then I'm going to show you also the Australian dollar index. We already know that the Euro index is weak, you can see here, and then you already know that the Australian dollar index is strong, which is why I placed that sell trade. So that is the reason why I take the trade. So if you want to have further confirmation where you can actually place the trades with more confidence, all right, it doesn't guarantee that it's going to win all the time. But for example, I know that there's a correlation, a positive correlation between Australian dollar and also the New Zealand dollar. That's why most of the times, if you trade a Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar pair, it does not move. And if it moves, it only moves maybe about 10-20 pips in a day. Unlike when you are trading a euro ad, that one can move. Even on that trade that I showed you, the first time when I updated the trade, it was around 40 pips. And the second time when I updated the trade, I was actually recording the video, but that got corrupted. It was now 810 pips. So by the time I made the introduction of my video, for the same video, the euro Australian dollar was now running 185 pips, and it ended up reaching 200 pips. And also the euro New Zealand was running 199 pips, but it ended up reaching somewhere around 220 pips. And the gold euro also reached close to 400 pips from the 22 of August when I placed the trades. So most of the times I just simply send one signal in our free Forex signals group. So if you want to trade all these signals, please don't forget to hit that like button for me, and then you contact me. I'll tell you how to get the trading system. I normally have also like a random pick where I tell people to, where I just choose maybe one person who's going to win the trading system. So this is another way that you can get the trading system without even paying for it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, and watch out for the next video.